Got 5 19mm lug nuts. So to replace the rear shock, you're going to have to replace or remove this rear sway bar link anyway. So honestly, you might as well just replace them. These are from 2011, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of those, which is not hard to do. Oh, that breaks them loose. They're going to be all seized up in there. I did not use any WD-40 or anything. So it's a 7mm top. Oh, that's pretty rusted. Whew. Just had to beat off some rust. There we go. Now, with this setup right here, you'll just hold the center bolt still while you drive this out. Bottom one's the same way. Oh, wow. All right, so I don't feel like messing with it. So I hit it with the big boy. In case it breaks part of it loose. There we go. And now we'll do the same thing with the 7mm. Now the shock itself, I'm going to start at the top. Might not even throw that down. I don't think there's any more. Alright, so it's going to be back there in that little compartment. So if you come back here, right behind here, we're going to have to pull that out. They are not easy to come out. So, okay, I'm not going to show that. But anyways, yeah, we got to get that off so we can fully fold this carpet down. I'll show you why here in a second. Okay. Okay, I need 3 hands, but we're going to do that. And then that's an 18mm nut in there, which you have more than enough access to get to. There we go. Oh. Oh. There we go. Here, it broke loose. I'll get this top nut taken off. So after that, a lot of cussing. I got it. If the top part of the shock starts to spin, you don't feel like getting out, just have somebody hold the top part of the shock. It's really simple. So here's what this looks like. Up here, it just pokes right through, and then that's it. It's just rubber. And now we go out here and we're going to rebuild it, or take out the bottom piece first. Now the bottom bolt is a 19mm. Really easy. And then you're going to want to take just a standard wrench, put it up and around the base. Oh, that one didn't even need it. So that's how it gets out. The nut is built into the base of this shock. But if you use the brand that I chose, it won't be. So kind of sucks. Not exactly happy about the parts that I purchased for this. So just to let you guys know now that you might want to choose a different parts that is in the description. So here's the old and new, obviously, old, new, obviously. So really not too much difference here, but the top part's really annoying on this one because this brand uses all different size bolts. But here's what I'm gonna do. Here's these two. What I actually like is, I like the factory one. The factory one has that extra like rubber that goes up in there. I'm gonna go ahead and use that again. Does it make a difference? I have no idea, but throw that one away. That needs to go underneath this one, so throw it on there. There, push that in. And now this will go up, butt it up against there. Then once we get inside the car, we'll put this on top. Goes that way. And then this cap. And then this nut. Now, as you can tell from the base on this one has the nut built in. We are going to be adding this provided nut to that 19mm bolt. Hope you got all that. So, let's see here. Get it down past the brake line. And now that I just popped that open. Okay, so let's put that to the slot like that. Dig that rubber grommet up in there. And really, I'm just gonna set this shock up against something so I can hold it up. Then we're gonna take our next two pieces. You can't see it, there we go. Head and side. First rubber grommet, plate, nut, which goes down to here. So it's a 19mm nut, and then this one just has a 2, so I'm going to put some vice grips on top and I'm going to drive it all the way down. Alright, so I mean, if you got a gun like this size, this actually fit in there perfectly. Drove it right down within seconds, so you know, if you got some power tools, that's one way to do it. We'll get this carpet pushed back in. And then we're gonna take that pillow. I call it a pillow, I don't know what it's just a thing full of foam. Put it back in on top of that rear shock. And then it really didn't have any besides this one. So I'll get this put back up here. And get out. To get this all lined back up, I'm going to use the jack to push up against that lower control arm. Take it, get this bolt in there. It just needs to go up a little bit higher. There. Just wiggle it back and forth. I'm gonna take that, I believe it's a 21mm they give you. It's a pretty heavy duty bolt or nut. So now all you gotta do is just Now we use a 19 millimeter. You can use a wrench, and then a 6-inch extension with a 21 millimeter. And now your shock is on. Same thing, put that there. Now these are actual Ford parts right here, which is nice. So it comes with that little pointless Ford. Maybe it isn't pointless, maybe it just keeps the rust off, or dirt and everything off, which if that's the case, that's pretty cool. And these come with, yeah, 17 millimeter nuts. And we'll do the same thing. We'll use the 7 millimeter. And I'll drive this in. Okay. Wrong way. There we go. Alright, so that's it. That's your shock and stabilizer bar link or sway bar link replacement on this 2011 Lincoln MKS. Yeah, a couple tips. Keep the jack. Like I said, that makes it so much easier to, you don't have to worry about that. So now we can get the jack up and out of the way. And everything is nice and solid now. Lifetime warranty on both parts. These are from Ford, they're lifetime warranty, and then I forgot what brand these are, but they're lifetime warranty.